First, secure the carriage bolt with knobs at both sides of Genesis. Install the bike carrier on the trunk with the hubs opened and place the arm 10 to 30 degrees up. Then turn the hub levers clockwise until the hub interlock. Clean the surface of your car and install the 6 hooks on a structurally sound place. Then tighten all the straps before and after mounting the bikes on the rack. Install the rubber strap in the bike holders. Now you are ready to mount the bikes. Remember to alternate the direction of each bike and secure them with the rubber straps. Use the protective foam pads to avoid contact between bikes or bikes and bike carrier. Finally, use the safety strap to secure all the bikes. Pass the safety strap through one wheel and make a loop over the bike carrier. Make another loop at the other side and bring the safety strap forward to secure the wheels and forks. Retighten all the straps and organize them with the integrated Velcro strap.